Yep, all right. Just came back home. Interesting today. So, it's very rookie mistake when you did not check on the news. Okay, on forex calendar. Oh, forex factory. I'm sorry. So the thing is that I forgot to check the forex factory. So then this would have this would have made sense for me to just get out because this like this when the FOMC reacted to the news to the FOMC meeting, right? Then if I were to close the trade, I would have had 1 to 1 because pretty much I was risking 37, right? So it's gonna be like 1 to 1, close enough. But then the market retested this resistance again, but for creating a few candles. So it's kind of like a rookie mistake. Well, it is what it is. It's kind of strange. It's still rare to have, you know, the three top and three bottom right here. It seems like, you know, everybody was waiting on the news. But I guess, yep, I like a new lesson here. Just don't forget to check on the news. All right, let's just see. This is the first loss of 2024.